Really?
Yeah. Don't you think you'd look beautiful?
Yeah, because you just be seeing my eyes. I'm just making sure somebody get eyebrows and shit.
Mm.
Yeah. Because they'll bring a constant beauty. Just my eyes.
Yeah.
So the walking people don't know who it is. They won't mess with me, they'll just stare.
Yeah. They're hot.
Mm-hmm. I get hotter. You know, pick up the internet from your phone.
Internet, Wi-Fi. Wait, oh, what is it? Yeah, no, no.
I'm almost on. After the last time I'm showing you every time I'm did this one.
Wait, name, you have password?